How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and WhatsApp is finally launching a feature we've been hoping and expecting for such a long time: usernames. That's right. From now on, you'll be able to choose a username, and that will be your WhatsApp contact, alongside, of course, your number. But you'll be able to choose which one you're going to give away to somebody who asks your WhatsApp contact. Let me explain you how that works. And of course, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually reserve your username right now. And it's important that you do it fast because a lot of people are choosing the good ones. So the whole idea is very simple. You meet somebody new and they ask for your WhatsApp contact. So the way this works right now is you are obliged to actually give away your phone number. And we don't necessarily want to give away your phone number to somebody we don't know really well, a stranger. A phone number is something very, very personal, right? So from now on, you'll be able to choose a username just like on Instagram, for example. And then when somebody asks for your WhatsApp contact, you're going to give away the username. So at Daniel, for example, and then they'll be able to talk to you on WhatsApp normally as they would, just like it is right now. So you'll be able to choose how people will actually be able to reach you via your phone number or your new username. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let me show you how you can choose your username right now. Okay, so all you have to do is open up WhatsApp, and please keep in mind that usernames will work for both normal WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business as well. I'm gonna go for WhatsApp Business because I'm gonna create a username for my business account, and then I'm gonna go here to settings at the bottom right corner, and then username, as you can see, and then create username. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and tap mine right here. It's gonna be that as Then About Tech sponsorships. Whoa, I got it wrong. Sponsorships. Great. So as you can see, the username is available, so I can get started. Keep in mind that if you choose a WhatsApp username that matches your Instagram handle, if it's the exact same username, you need to actually link your account in order to move on, because WhatsApp needs to know that's you. So keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and save. And as you can see, I have reserved Then About Tech sponsorships. I'm good to go, and then I can tap on done, and that's it. I have my username right here. Of course, I can edit it later on and choose whichever I want. Keep in mind that this feature is still not working. So what we're doing here is actually reserving the username for when WhatsApp actually implements this change, which will happen later on this year. But of course, the whole idea here is to reserve our username, the username that we want, so then when the change happens, we are ready. So that's literally it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one as usual. Bye-bye, guys.